Hi everyone, my name is Daphne and today we're going to read another book gonna be called Parrots. What are parrots? Parrots are colorful birds. They have curved beaks and strong legs. Parrots have four toes on each foot. 2 toes point forward, 2 toes point backward. The toes curl around branches. Their sharp nails help parrots climb. Most parrots live in warm areas. Many sit in canopia of the rainforest. Parrots eat fruits, flowers, and small insects. Their favorite food is seeds. Parrots use their strong beaks to crack open food. They also dig up meals with their beaks. Parrots live in large flocks. The birds squeak and search to and scratch to one another. The females build nests in tree holes. Chicks hatch from eggs inside the nest. A flock works together to watch for monkeys, snakes, and other predators fly away. And that's the end of Parrots, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys soon.